Are your kids as obsessed with Minecraft as mine are? With the movie coming out and me attempting to be the ultimate hype girl, I thought it would be fun to make the easiest cookies I possibly could for my kids, but this would have been really fun to make with them too. Hindsight's 2020 here. To start out, you're going to grab a box cake mix. I prefer a white or a yellow because it takes the coloring better, a cube of butter or half of a cup of oil, 2 eggs, and then I did 10 drops of food coloring. Then mix, mix, mix. You might have to scrape the sides a few times. This batter is going to be thick, cookie thick. If you melt your butter instead of just having softened butter, it will be a little thinner. If it is too thick for you, you can always add a little bit more butter or oil. The thicker your cookies are, the more shape they're going to hold. Thinner cookies are going to spread out a little bit more, but pick what you want. Then plop those on a cookie sheet. I didn't know how much these were going to spread, so I played it a little safe to begin with and tried it with only 4. I also wasn't sure how the faces were going to work, so I tried half of them with faces and half without. I would definitely recommend waiting until the cookies are cooked to add the faces because the ones that I added before just spread too much, kind of weird. And again, this cookie dough is thick. It's not going to spread out very much on its own, so I did pat mine down in kind of a square shape with my spatula. Then I had these Nestle semi-sweet chunks because they are more squarish than a chocolate chip. Again, don't put them on before you cook. It just didn't work out as well. Then pop them in the oven, 350 for about 12 minutes. You're going to want to keep an eye on them. They are done when they are lightly brown at the edges. And this is where I think I should have put the faces on. You can see how these ones spread out, looked more like random dots than Minecraft faces. But you can push those morsels into the still soft and hot cookies, set up just fine this way. And my kids thought these were an absolute blast. They were not complaining about lack of perfection. If you really want to go the extra mile and make these square, I would just cook them as normal, wait till they're done, and then cut off the edges. And there you have it, Beyond Easy Minecraft cookies. They're cute, they taste delicious, they're less than 5 ingredients, and they are a ton of fun for playing into the Minecraft hype. If you like this or you're interested in more activities and ideas you can do with your kids, be sure to like and follow along.